Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. In my last video, I showed you that I have created the PAN Form 93 application, which will be very effective, very quickly. You can fill up the form easily. Then, so I got feedbacks from my clients, and this is the new version. So what changes I have made? So the changes is the settings tab. The settings tab has the defaults. So here we can place the defaults and what are default options we have given in the form will appear over here. So that we can set up the default options here. I have made uh, date. Date is by default coming as today's date. City, you can enter a city, state, district, pin code. If you keep it blank, then blank will appear. So you can type it easily, right, in the form. Year code is no, but yeah, year code is appearing like year code. Also, you can fill up. Let's say you are in one city, taking one city's work only. So you can put by default this values. Residential status also you can keep. This is the drop down, so you can keep all three options. Source of income also you can set up like whatever the default option you will keep it over here. That option will pop up in the form, right? Here while you launch the form. All right. So selected income from business again, so that appeared over here. Yeah, show it to you again. Tempo business or profession. If I select income from house property, then my default option will appear here as from house or property, right? Let's say father, then to be printed as father. So that is default over here. So whatever the option you are selecting from here, that will pop up the day form. So that default options I have given. The mother name has appeared now. Representative assistant, most of the time it is not there, so I have kept it NN, but yeah, if in your case you want to change it, you can select yes and then representative assessors details you can fill up in the form, right? So this is the kind of overview that I wanted to show it to you. And I have added a note that settings tab is there. And if anything else, you can reach out to me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The form is designed in a beautiful manner so that you can type it easily. Your form details will appear very quickly. Where you can view form, you can generate the form, submit application, and even the details are getting stored. If you want to get your details back, then you can enter the like address, Aadhaar card number first, and then get previous details. So this is like search button. We'll search from the available database, and if it is there already, so all the details will be filled up automatically, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks.